McCluskey Park.
Over there is, yeah.
This is part of it.
That water is just flowing through the whole baseball field's underwater. That water is tall as that baseball fence.
I was just gonna say that fence.
It's underwater completely. There's the yellow top of the baseball fence, and it disappears. The flood goes a long way. Alright, we'll go look at the other side of the park. No, that's all underwater, buddy.
Not that deep if the middle of the field is showing. There's an island.
Yes, there is. See if I can get the island. That's the junior high practice football field.
Do you really want to go inside that baseball field and try to get to that island?
No. A little bit of water in the road here.
It's called Bird Island.
It's called Bird Island. Oh, the dog park.
Dog park's underwater.
It used to be the Dennison swimming pool.
Daddy, don't. This park ain't underwater.
It is.
That one.
The new one's underwater.
Go play, kids.
No. I was playing that one. My school actually walked over here. That bridge over there is how we got there. Oh, the bridge is flooding? Yeah, the bridge is actually really deep.
Yeah, that's a couple feet deep right there, easy.
That porta potty's gonna fall over.
That porta potty is about to fall over. See if I can get a close up.
But no one's in there.
Why would somebody be in there?
They probably got it chained down, but that'd be a rough ride.
And what's really crazy
That
is
bridge is.
standing beside when the creek's down, that goes a long way down, so that water had to come up a lot.
I know.
Yeah,
I mean,
that's up probably 20 feet.
Is it? This one where you saw over here last time.
Alright, we will find another spot. Found another road closed.
Wheel.
It's about to come across.
Oh yeah, that's flowing in over there. Goose.
That is for money.
Oh, car right on our ass.
Or go touch his butt, you know, and we'll do whatever the fuck
Oh, we'll be fine.
We're not gonna go in the water, guys. I'm not trying to lose our lives.
That is deep.
Yeah, that's real deep. That's a couple feet up on that pavilion. Wow, that don't even look from here.
Doesn't look like what?
Someone go
Deep.
swing on that swing. What swing? That swing over there, it's underwater. Ah! What about that slide? Lee, it's a water slide.
What was that noise?
It sounds like power steering.
That playground is lucky.
What, the A-frame?
Another flooded. Well, we just
Poor Camaro.
I still a flood squad. No, we didn't. Wow. Oh, Santa Claus. In my game in Santa Claus. I got you. Whoa.
Water everywhere.
Daddy. Good to see that.
It's crazy. He's got his firewood right on the edge of that flood. Like he knew exactly where it was going to stop.
Wait. Why don't we get your house? Yeah, Piggy's house. Okay. No, it's not working. Shine. Shine.
You can see the flow right there.
There's a ball over there.
Yep, stuck in the weeds. It might still be there when the flood goes down. I ain't going out there.
After the flood goes down.
Yeah. Trash of Uhrichsville.
Yeah, we play hard and we rock hard. Rock 106.9, Canton's rock station.
All up in people's backyards and everything. It's a great day for the ducks.
They're like, that's my favorite thing.
Sump pumps running out. This road is closed and I can see why. There's an alleyway there.
Daddy, right there. Daddy, right there. Right there. Get you.
Oh, there's an alley right here, Maddie.
Don't
That's
look.
actually good about a foot right there.
Yeah, you can't. The center line disappears really quickly.
Ah, see you.
Yeah, we're in about a foot of water here.
I saw a spot. You like a see. I saw a spot. You like a see. You like a see. You like. You like.
People on that porch there, notice. Where are they?
I don't think I've ever been down this alley. Lots of these people had to park up on the road. All down in there. The only road to their house is flooded.
But they're not going to be leaving today.
Now we're at the graveyard looking at the Big Bend golf course. Getting that snow pile over. No, I wouldn't run a grave over. That's a snow pile. Ain't much of a golf course left out there, is it? Floating where?
That dude's garage is flooded.
That dude's whole property's flooded.
I could breathe something a little faster. Somebody found me.
Yeah, it's deep.
With a dead body. So that's bad. That's the pasta.
Oh.
That is flooded. Oh.
That is really deep. We're not in the water right now, but we're about to have to be.
You're in the water.
I can see the road. What is that? Swimming right there. On the other side of the guardrail, there's something swimming.
Oh, I see it. It's a mouse or something.
I feel bad for it now.
Is it?
Yeah, it's like a mouse.
I feel bad for it because it's
It's
almost like cinnamon. Well,
I think it got on the tree.
so cute. It is. It's not going on the tree. I feel bad for it.
That is up there.
I feel bad for it because I actually have a pet mouse. Wait. Dad, it's close to walk off the end.
Way down on the edge of that field.
Oh, that is cool. This. Never see someone do
Way
this.
down there.
Whoa! Imagine a truck tumbling down there. Oh, there's a flooding over there. I know, we already seen it. No, we didn't. Yes, we did. I'm recording it right now. Guys, isn't this where we saw a bunch of wild turkeys?
Yes, down in that
This is
field.
not the flooded road.
Yes, it is.
Do not fall down.
Back us zoom up.
Hey, where's the hole at? Do not fall down that. Do not fall down. Kill.
You won't.
Someone was watching me then. I can't. I can just.
Yep, road's under.
Whoa, that's all the way.
Not that it
down.
matters since it's washed out down there, but
Did that happen? This happened.
I feel bad for the people that have to park clear down here and walk to their house. Because
Flooded, what? Jesus.
that's probably 6 to 10 feet
That's
deep.
probably 6 to 10 foot. That's
This guy walks in there is going to be under.
That's 1,000 feet. They can like slug a whole
Way
hour.
down there, it's closed.
Daddy, see the people that have to park down here? Why don't they just have a canoe or something? Well, right where that barrier is, Madison, is there.
Is it? Wonder how deep it is.
Just a little bit.
Oh, real deep over there.
Zip talking about better.
Right up on the road.
Talking Tom is not tired.
Splash. Go up here, turn around.
Okay, Talking Tom is silly. Ice. No, you can't be slow. Bye-bye. That's silly. Ouch. I'm gonna put Talking Tom in the silly.
I'm gonna stay on our side of the road. Tell me how deep it gets over there. Actually, that's probably not a good idea. That looks like it's pretty deep. I mean, not horribly, but it's there.
Feeding time.
Take a look down here. Right at the bottom of this bridge.
What was your favorite Tom?
A little bit on the road here. Whole field's flooded. This is the Pump House Road. Cody Garbrandt's talked about coming out here fighting as kids. You can see why, there ain't much here. This road is closed due to a cave-in. I guarantee it's flooded. Yep, nice and deep. Yeah, that's too big for us, buddy. Looks like it's flowing in. It is. See a piece of ice up there. Or snow or something. I had to. I don't know if you can see it. All frozen now. I don't know what that is laying right there. I better not drive through it. Get in trouble. Pack a Tahoe full of ice. Couple rescuers down there or something. All flooded out, frozen now. It's even deeper in front of us than it was. Park over there underwater. Water flowing out. car is that? Definitely deeper than yesterday. Yeah, this wasn't this deep yesterday. Break up some ice here. Couple feet of water down there. It was just on the other side of that, looking this way. Hell with it. We're gonna get a quick 0 to 60 right here on the Tahoe. Oh, I got a truck coming. Traction control. (2008) 5.3 liter. Alright, till next time. Hope you enjoyed.